You want to fix your finances. You know something needs to change, but every time you try to figure out where to start, you get overwhelmed. Here's the first step that changes everything. The internet is full of advice. Pay off debt. Build an emergency fund. Invest early. Start a side hustle. Everyone has an opinion on what you should do first. So you do nothing. Because when everything feels urgent, nothing gets done. Here's the truth. Forget the complicated strategies. Forget the debt snowballs and the investment portfolios. Not yet. That stuff matters, but it's not step one. Step one is simpler than any of that, and it's the step most people skip. Know your numbers. That's it. What comes in every month, what goes out, and what's left. Most people have no idea. They guess, they estimate, they assume, but they don't actually know. When you know your numbers, everything changes. You stop guessing and start deciding. You see where the money goes. You find the leaks. You discover the surplus you didn't know you had, or you face the shortfall you've been avoiding. The Finance Reset Toolkit gives you those numbers in minutes. Plug in your income, list your expenses, see your surplus or shortfall instantly. No judgment, no complicated formulas, just a clear picture of where you stand right now. And once you have that, the next step becomes obvious. Pay off this debt, cut this expense, build this buffer. The plan writes itself. You can't build a plan without knowing where you stand. Clarity comes first. Strategy comes second. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop spinning. Stop guessing. Take the first step. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.